Do Facebook ads work better with images or with video ads? I'm going to give you my exact answer so that you can make the best decision for you. This is going to be a quick video. So before we get started, if you wouldn't mind liking the video, subscribing to the channel if you want to learn Facebook and Instagram ads in and out in 2024 and beyond. That is what this channel focuses on. Lots of in-depth tutorials that go click by click to and show you winning ads for every type of industry. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you check out the rest of my channel. Also, you can book a free call with me below if you're looking for done with you help or done for you help, so I can teach you how to run ads so you don't need an agency, or I can take over ads if all of this is just too much for you and you don't have the time to learn it. Then you can apply below by booking a free call. So which one works better, images or videos? Really, a campaign that has both is going to outperform a campaign that just has images or just has videos. So ultimately your goal is to have both. And the reason why is some customers respond better to images and some respond better to videos, and also just having multiple ads that explain your offer is going to resonate with customers further. It's going to educate them better. So if you're selling plants and you've got images and then you've got some videos too, the images just kind of spit it out. They let them know, hey, we got plants, we got a wide selection, we've been in the plant business for this long, you can shop our site. And then the videos shows the entire tour of all the plants you have. The combination of those ads is going to ultimately work better than just having one. Now, I will say though, which one is better to come out with first? In my opinion, I would say images. And the reason why is because a great video will be a great image, but a good image will be a good video. And the reason why is because there's just so much room for error for a video to be done wrong. If the hook of that video, the first 3 seconds, aren't really good, then you're going to lose people. If the lighting and the video quality and the sound and your general pace of speaking and the first words out of your mouth aren't all done really well, then you're probably going to spend a lot of money to get very little attention. So that is why I typically say start with images. The other reason why is it's easier to rapid test your ideas with images. So I'm going to stick with my plants example because I'm looking at a plant right here. If I wanted to say we have fast shipping as like one of the main points that I'm saying, or we have this buy 3 plants for $50 offer, or I want to say that our plants are the healthiest that you can buy online, or I want to say that our plants come with free consultation, live Q&A, so you can ask a plant expert how to keep your plant healthy. Those would be like 4 different pitches and messages that I could do, and I could test all of those very easily with different images. Or maybe I wanted to use some different testimonials for our services, and I could just quickly make text testimonial images and test all of those out. Then based off of what wins there, then I can create a video based off of the winning messaging. So that would be a quicker way to test all of your different ideas, because images are just so easy to create a new one. Whereas if you got to go make a new video, you got to set up your whole display. And maybe the first time that you record, you have all of these ideas that you want to do and you record them. But I mean, I've recorded this video a couple of times, honestly, just because it doesn't always come out right and you just want to redo it, or the camera battery can go off. So it's just way harder to create videos at scale than it is to just create a ton of images. So I like to say, if you can't get an image to at least get you some sales for your product or service, a video is likely not going to be the difference, okay? The only exception to this would be if you have a product or service that requires a lot of educating before someone could know if they would want to buy it or not. If you're selling a simple thing, even if you're doing fencing or roofing for homes, any kind of service that you can just tell people what you do and they get it. They get the general concept. Of course, they don't know exactly your guarantee and all of your reviews, but they get what you're selling. If you can just tell people what you're selling and they get it, then if an image can't get you leads or sales, then a video is not going to be the difference. A video would be the difference of getting your ad campaign to that next level. So I like to say, if you can't make it work with images, then you got to go back to the drawing board, because it's probably not your targeting. It's probably more your offer and your messaging that is off. and a video is not going to fix it, okay? A fancy video with all the editing in the world is not going to be the difference of people starting to buy. So start with images. Come out with about 4 to 6 different images, 2 or 3 different captions, and if you can't get some sales from that initial test within a couple $100, then you're probably going to want to turn off the campaign and diagnose what might be going wrong with your offer before you would say we need to invest in video. So ultimately the best answer is having both, but really the answer would be images as for where you should start and do your initial testing. So I hope that helps out. If you could use some help, of course you can book that free call below. You can check out the other videos on my channel, and I would love it if I could earn your subscribe today, and hit the notification bell. It really helps out. So if you got some value, then let me know. I'll see you in the next video.